Hi Erika, this is Gurtej. I'm I hope you're doing well. I'm really sorry about the last video. I couldn't capture the audio properly. I'm just managed to fix the OBS settings. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna just jump into the game. Okay, so here's my title scene. Hopefully you can hear the background music as well. Okay, I'm gonna hit play. Okay, so this is our enemy. This is my player. This is the timer. Expires every 5 seconds. So these are the potential situations of changing the state. If player is seen, it will move towards the player. If timer expired, there's a chance to patrol. Um, if if timer expires like 3 times and nothing happens, then it'll force to switch the current state. Uh, I'm gonna try to jump right in front of him so I can get into line of sight. Okay, so we can see chases right away, and the chase speed is a little bit higher than the normal speed. And this is a defeat scene because he chased us. Um, Now this is start scene again. I'm gonna go back into the game scene again. This time I'm gonna try to get him while he's idle. So just gonna wait for him to go to idle again. Okay, so I think I have enough time to chase him. Right. There we go. This is the winning scene. Because he was idle and we hit him. I think that's pretty much it for the gameplay. Now let's get to the code. These are the scripts basically that I'm using for this assignment. A few of them are from our labs, projection, steering behaviors. So this is basically the main script enemy, where all the state machine and handling is going on. I'm using enum states for um, the states: idle, patrol, move towards player. These are just variables. And also I'm using line render for the vision, the green thing. Um, yeah, so I'm starting width is little lesser, and the end width is more, so it kind of gives the the vision look. And in the update method, we check in the starting if there's idle, and based on that we set our animations. This is our timer, and this is our raycast, and this is the sight distance. How big is it is gonna be? So it is same as the line render. And if there's a hit, depending on the hit, we change the color. This is state timer. This one is here is a fail safe thing. It handles both. It changes the states, and also so it first tries if there's a this comes greater than 0.5. There's a 50% chance. If it doesn't happen 3 times, then there's the state change count increment variable that increments, and then it returns. If it's greater than 3, then obviously it will force it to change the state, and then it resets it here. And then there's a switch statement. This basically is for behavior. Um, if if a state is idle, it will stay 0. If it's on patrol, state is patrol, it will call the method patrol. Same for the move towards player. This is our change state method. It's fairly simple. There's this update state to UI. I'm using switch statement here as well. Depending on our state, we display our text on the screen. There's a collider as well here. If there's attack the player. Then we start the coroutine if there's a collision. And in the routine, depending on the state, prior to the collision, we switch to the scene. So it's fairly simple. Um, for the player, I'm also using physics-based movement. This section here takes care of the inputs, and depending on the inputs, it adds to this move direction vector. And then here in the fixed update, I'm handling the actual movement. Um, here in the late update, I'm actually doing the rotation. Um, so once everything is done here, up there, and then we see our transfer position has moved. Um, Based on that, we check the magnitude, and depending on that, we calculate the angle, and then we do the rotation quaternion. Yeah, so yeah, it's fairly simple. I do want to mention I really wanted to make it complex. I wanted to do it in 3D that I've been doing for other assignments, uh, but I didn't have enough time um, because of the other courses, mainly because of the game production courses where I am a lead programmer, and I gotta take care of most of the things, and I had to do extra work in the art and other sound department. Uh, yeah, for various reasons. Anyways, yeah, so I just want to thank you, Eric, for very lenient about the extensions. That really helped me a lot to manage my overall course load. Um, yeah, like thanks again for everything, for your teaching. I I couldn't attend all the classes for the most part, but I did watch the recordings regularly, and I really liked your teaching, and it really helped me a lot. So thanks again for everything. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good summer. See you next semester in the fall. Take care.